Welcome back. For the first time in more than a decade, the Supreme Court is hearing arguments on a significant Second Amendment case. It centers around a gun law in New York and the right to bear arms. News 12's Tama Ponton is in Uniondale with the details. Tama.
Well, Gianna, we are inside Coliseum Gun Traders, where the owner here says today's case is about self-defense, but says it's not just about any type of gun. It's more specifically about handguns and about the permits required to carry one.
I should be able to defend myself wherever I want to be defending myself.
Andy Chernoff, owner of Coliseum Gun Traders in Uniondale, says he agrees with the argument from an attorney pleading a case to the Supreme Court today about a New York gun permit law.
Carrying a firearm outside the home is a fundamental constitutional right. It is not some extraordinary action that requires an extraordinary demonstration of need.
Right now, the law requires New Yorkers to prove they face a, quote, special or unique danger to their life in order to get a license to carry a concealed pistol or revolver outside of their homes. In a video released from her office today, Attorney General Letitia James, who is also running for governor, said defending the law is about preventing New York from becoming the next place devastated by gun violence.
New York has some of the strongest gun laws in the nation, but guns do not stop working as they cross the threshold of another state's border, which is why our gun licensing laws are necessary.
The attorney for the state arguing that New York's current law fits well within the tradition of regulating public carry.
In total, from the founding era through the 20th century, at least 20 states have at one time or another either prohibited all carrying of handguns in populous areas or limited it to those with good cause.
Governor Hochul also releasing a statement today saying in part, with arguments being heard today, my hope is that the Supreme Court upholds our state's common sense law that requires proper cause for issuing concealed carry pistol permits. Chernoff says he hopes the justices look directly to the Constitution to make their decision.
If you trust me to have a gun, and it's my Second Amendment right to have that gun, what's the difference if I have it at the shooting range in Uniondale, or I'm upstate hunting, or I am in Wantagh in my car, or in Levittown, riding my bicycle?
Now, as for what happened in court today, the Chief Justice and other conservative members of the court saying that they suggested rather New York's law goes too far. But other justices seemed worried that a broad ruling could threaten gun restrictions at bars, stadiums, and on the subways. However, no official ruling was handed down today.